a show where you will be motivated, you will be inspired, and most importantly, you will be informed. Today is like no other. We always bring phenomenal women in to share with you their gifts, their talents, and their skills. Those talents, gifts, and skills that they're using to move the world for good. And today I am so super excited to have in studio with me my dear sister and friend, Andrea Dumas. Want to tell you a little bit about her, and I absolutely love that picture of her. Whether singing in a church choir or sharing the stage with some of gospel music's top recording artists, Andrea Dumas is a vessel for God's song. Called to inspire and encourage through the vehicle of music, Andrea has been blessed to lend her voice to household names in the genre of sacred music. Now, the gifted psalmist is stepping from the shadows into the spotlight with her brand new solo debut called Celebrate. With one listen to Dumas's new release, it's apparent that standing behind artists such as Yolanda Adams, Donnie McClurkin, and Richard Smallwood has served her well, taking the listener from the excitement of praise to the passion of worship. Andrea Dumas provides an incredible experience for the gospel music lover. Now, I can tell you on and on and on about her, but I want you to hear it right from her. Not only is she debuting her new project, but she has some exciting news about who she just signed with. All these great things are happening. And so I want to welcome to the Nicole Mason Show, Andrea Dumas. Woohoo!
Hey.
Hey, girl. How
Hey.
are you?
I am great. I am
Good.
so glad to be here. Thank you so much for the invitation.
Yes. I told you a couple of months ago, I said, now, I was just starting the show, but I knew that you were one of the guests that I had to have on this show because of not just what you're doing, but in the manner that you do it. And I've watched you over the few years that I've been at Greater Mount Calvary, and you're just so graceful. And I love that about you. I love that about you. So let's just jump right into it. Let's talk about you, the psalmist. Talk about what's in your heart as it relates to music. Because music, of course, you know, it helps the heart soothe.
Mm-hmm.
And so I just want you to share with our audience just how this has come to be for you. It's such an incredible journey. And so I just want you to share that.
Yeah, it definitely has been. I mean, music has the ability to transcend barriers, open up doors, opportunities that sometimes, other vehicles cannot. And I've been, just to tell a little bit about myself, I've been singing, for most of my life, and grew up in a home. My mom played the piano. We sang gospel around the piano. My brothers and I, my mom, we played. My dad, he didn't sing, so he would just kind of sit around and listen.
Right.
But we grew up singing gospel, in the home. And then that's just kind of been my journey. I've always loved gospel music. I definitely, from a young age, it really touched me, unlike other genres of music. And I really, I was just going to church, just like all the other children. But gospel music, it just touched my heart so. And there was a time where I heard a song, God Is, and I was, young, and it was an ensemble that sang the song. And it really touched me, and I think I think I probably started to cry. Like, it really touched my heart, and that's when I knew that gospel music was special music. And then, as the years went on in college, I accepted the Lord as my personal Savior, and then just, continued singing gospel, and then just having the opportunities to just sing locally in local groups, but as well as, with national artists as well.
Yes.
So.
Well, that's one of the things that, and her bio is very extensive. She has sung locally, that, like she said, nationally and internationally to more than 15 countries, singing with gospel greats, as we mentioned, Yolanda Adams, Donnie McClurkin, and Richard Smallwood. And I love Richard. Richard and I were classmates at the Divinity School at Howard. Just such a beautiful spirit. And one of the comments that he spoke about your project and how proud he was of you. And I was just like, yeah, that's just awesome. And he was sitting on the front row that night at the recording, rooting you on, him and so many other greats who thought it not robbery to come to share in your moment that night when you were putting this project together, which is a beautiful project, by the way. And we're going to be sharing some of those songs in just a moment. So talk a little bit about this project and the inspiration to pull it all together at this time, because really you could have done it at any time, but at this time.
I think that it's important to, operate in God's time and in His season, the time it is for you to go forth and do what you're supposed to do. And like you said, I have had the opportunity to sing with a lot of different artists and share on different stages. And but it's just like I felt the unction, like it was time. And so, it was time for me to, share what the Lord has done on the inside. For me, and then share that with everyone else. And so, the Lord put a great team of people around